Good morning, community. We got something new and we can't wait to share it. I think this is going to help a lot of you who have small backyard gardens, porch gardens, balcony gardens, and apartments, or even those of us who just want something a little closer to the house. Let's see what we got. Looky there. Vigo Garden has come up with a self-watering, rolling tomato planter pot with trellis. Here's what it looks like on the inside. They packaged it up quite nicely. The length is 15 inches, the width is 15 inches, and the height with the trellis is 55 inches. It holds 1 cubic foot water capacity. Soil capacity, 1 cubic foot, water capacity, 2.4 gallons. So this portion goes inside this pot. That's pretty nice looking, guys. And look, looks like you can gauge it. Here's all the trellis pieces. Here are the instructions. So this is your water regulator. At 90, this is your maximum water capacity. And when you're using inside, guys, that's the great thing about this is if you have a sunny window, you can put this inside and leave this cap on, and that will keep the water from dripping out. So we're going to keep that on right now, but we're going to use this outside. I really wished I had a sunny window in the house that I could use this inside the house because this is really going to be brilliant. They recommend if you're using this outside that you do remove this stopper, because if you get a lot of rain, you don't want it to overflow and don't want it to just sit. So this is going to help you regulate your water. It is a self-wicking, man, these things are becoming popular, tomato planter or anything else you might want to use it for that may need a trellis. So this is your water indicator. This will float up. Can you see that? When it's full. And you can see down in the bottom, this is where the water's going to seep up from. Here's part of the trellis, and listen. This is metal, guys. This ain't plastic. It ain't cheap plastic. The trellis is adjustable. It looks like you have 3 separate heights. Looky there. This is what you need when you're doing your adjusting. You'll put these like so and build to any height that you want. So now the decision is, which one am I going to put in it? I think I'm going to do my yellow pear tomatoes, which are little snackers, and I'm going to put it under where we put this tent for our customers every year, although we don't have the tent up because we're waiting for this severe weather season to pass. And then when the tent is up, and I can sit out here and I can snack on them. So let's get this planted. Greg has gone ahead and filled it up for me with some really great soil. Ta-da! And that's it, guys. I'm not going to put the trellis on it yet because honestly, Greg's going to have to help me figure out those little fastener things. But next thing that you do is you just go in here and you add your water right here. And then this is your gauge, and this will float up when it is full. And then you use this gauge over here to add how much you want coming up into the tub. I am pretty excited about this. I think this is a fantastic idea for small home gardens, for balcony gardens, in-home gardens. Again, you can put this inside the house. What a great idea that Vigo Garden came up with. I'm going to go ahead and put the link down below. So we are now a Vigo Garden fan. You can see we have several out here. I'm just waiting to be filled up with some of our delicious vegetables. These are very sturdy, very, very sturdy. And they state that they'll last probably about 20 years, so they will outlive us. And they are in addition to the raised beds that Greg built. And guys, I'm telling you, you may think that they're a little expensive, but after you go and buy lumber and the fasteners and take the time to drill the holes and get everything set up, you're probably going to save a little bit of money by going ahead and getting one of these. These take maybe about an hour to put up, not very long. You can fill the bottom of it with, you can do the hugelkultur. We put wood chips down in the bottom, and a lot of people put cardboard and paper. So to fill them up, it really wasn't that bad, especially this one. So I can't wait to get these planted and show you what we got going on. We got kind of some crummy weather this morning. We're having a sale today. We've got a couple of customers, praise the Lord for that. But we got about almost an inch of rain last night. And we're hoping that it's going to dry out a little bit and the sun's going to come out today and tomorrow, because we have a big sale. We still have quite a few veggies out there to sell. Really good quality, really good variety. So we're excited about that. But we're not going to complain about the rain. We're not going to complain about the rain, because this time last year we were absolutely dying for rain. And so thank you guys for taking the time to watch this. I know some of you will pick one of these up, because I mean, you just almost can't pick them up. You can't not pick them up because these are really, really brilliant for small home gardens. So, and everything is there for you to put together. You don't have to drill any holes. You don't have to assemble anything. It looks really great. So take care. God bless you all. We love you, and we'll see you soon.